Good afternoon, class. This is Stephen Espino. In today's video, I'm going to discuss one of my favorite engagement strategies, sketch to stretch. I love this strategy because it is a great tool to help students deepen their understanding of novels they have read. And sketch to stretch will engage artistic and kinesthetic learners. Here's how it works. Step 1. Read and respond. Students read a novel and respond to it in a grand conversation. Step 2. Discuss the themes. Students talk about themes in the novel and ways to symbolize meanings by using colors, lines, shapes, and symbols. Step 3. Draw the sketches. Students work individually or with a partner to draw a sketch that reflects the story's meaning. Step 4. Share the sketches. Students then share their sketches with other classmates. This is a great way for them to collaborate. Step 5 and Step 6. As a teacher, select one sketch to share with the whole class. Then students will make final revisions. This is a great way for classmates to gain insight on other classmates' thinking. And that pretty much sums up Sketch to Stretch. I hope you have enjoyed this video and gained an understanding of how this tool works. I would encourage everyone to share this strategy in your future lessons.